Hey guys, this is Priyatama Khan. It's my first video, so please be kind. And I don't have a podcast and things like that, so I have tried to manage an angle so that you can see me like in a proper manner. And I don't have any makeup on, as you can see, so yeah, please don't judge me by my looks. So there is one thing I wanted to talk to you guys about today. A friend of mine like DM'd me on my personal chat as to what is the difference between a goal and an achievement. All right, so how do we differentiate goals from achievements? So first of all, goals and achievements are two completely different things. They are completely different concepts, and we often go ahead and kind of get confused as to whether something is our goal or an achievement. So let's keep it very simple and let's start by achievement. Achievement means you topping the school, you topping your college, you becoming doctor, engineer, anything you like, right? So that is your achievement because you have worked hard towards it and you have gone ahead and achieved it. You buy a new car, you go ahead and buy a new house, or you rent a very quaint and posh apartment and things like that. So all of these are achievements in our lives. Now the goal of our life should be one thing and one thing only, and that's peace and happiness. Because trust me, I hope it happens to all of us another 70, 80 years later. But trust me, once you're on your deathbed, you will not be thinking of your achievements at all. Rather, you will be thinking about the goals that you have accomplished in your life. Now, what are goals? Like, for example, you wanted to climb Mount Everest and you are completely prepared for it and you go for it and you achieve it. Or let's say that you wanted to buy a treadmill because you want to kind of shed a few pounds and things like that. So that is your goal. Or maybe your so let's make it very easy. Goal is equal to your bucket list. There is a bucket list we all have, and we all want to complete all the things that are there in our bucket list. Like, I want to see rainfall at least once, sorry, snowfall at least once before I die, or I want to go for paragliding at least once before I die. Those are your goals. That's how you differentiate achievements from goals. And let me tell you why. Because doing these things may or may not involve financially, or you being extremely rich, and it doesn't matter what car you have, what house you have, it really doesn't matter. It's a dream that you have, it's a bucket list that you have, and you go ahead and you are fulfilling that. So on your deathbed, you will really not be thinking about what you have achieved, because you know that in a few seconds or a few minutes, god forbid, you will be gone. After that, who will be talking about your achievements? Maybe your relatives and friends for a few days, and everybody will move on with their lives, right? But goal is something which is for yourself and yourself only. When you will be on your deathbed, you will smile thinking that, hey, I don't care about what people think about my achievements. At least the goals that I had, the bucket list that I have, at least I have gone ahead and I have fulfilled those. I was able to go ahead and fulfill those. That is something that really matters, because you are on your deathbed, god forbid, there is nobody around you, like you are completely alone, and you think of your achievements and you think that, hey, I was the topper of my class, so where are my friends, where are my teachers, or I used to work for this company, I was an MD, so where are my employees and things like that. But even if that happens, if you just remember your goals, if you look forward to what you have achieved as goals, you will die with a smiling face, because you would know that it doesn't really need any kind of validation or anything from any person to go ahead and achieve the goals that you have, because it's completely personal, it's completely different from person to person, and it's all about making us happy, and it's all about, remembering that, okay, I have done a lot of things in my life. I worked my ass off. Worked I worked at home, I worked outside, and we faced problems, etc., etc. None of these things are going to come to your mind on your deathbed. What will come to your mind is, hey, I wish I would had, done that paragliding when I had the chance. But hey, I should have, gone ahead and seen the coral reefs when I had the chance. Now you might ask me that go to coral reefs must be very expensive, right? So it depends. There are backpackers who can go to coral reef from one continent to another only in $100. So it's how you choose to travel. If you choose to travel 5 star, 7 star, or whatever, and you choose to only stay in luxurious hotels and etc., yeah, it's gonna cost you. But if you are a backpack, a, what to say, a hitchhiker, or somebody who is just taking, helping the help of strangers to reach somewhere, trying to save every penny of it, pinching every penny of it, then yeah, $100 I believe is more than enough to go ahead and do that. But again, so digressing from the topic actually, so this was just an example that when you are on your deathbed, you I even I'm talking about myself, we don't want to regret that I had the chance, I had the money, I had the time off, then why didn't I do it? I should have done it. You are not going to think about how many certificates, how many medals, how many trophies are there in your room. Trust me, all you're going to think about is, I wanted to do these things, I got the opportunity, but I kept convincing myself that it's okay, I still have time, I'll do it someday. My only request to everyone is that someday is today. It's either today or never. So don't leave your goals, your bucket lists for today, someday. Do it today as much as you can, and trust me, once you hit that one goal in your bucket list, it will give you a high adrenaline rush to go ahead and complete everything in your bucket list. Things that is going to make you smile, things that is going to make you feel wholesome, and it's going to go ahead and make you smile on your deathbed. If you don't have people around you, to hell with it, doesn't matter, you will still die smiling, and you will live smiling, you will die smiling. And one more thing I want to address, when it comes to goals or achievements, anything, stop giving so much importance to selfies, to cameras and things like that. Because when you're doing that, there's a beautiful sunset going on, say at the Grand Canyons, and you are busy setting up your tripod and setting up your video camera and things like that, and by the time you are done, the sun has already set. Maybe it has half set or it has already set. So forget about the validation. So I know why people do that. People do that to show people that, hey, I went to the Grand Canyons and I saw the sunset. But did you really see the sunset? No, you were busy setting up your tripod, you were busy setting up your camera and things like that. So just get rid of that. Okay, just take maybe one selfie. If you want to really photograph at a certain place, take the photograph of that particular place, because see, you were there. You don't need validation from anybody else that you were there. You were there, whether your other people, your peers or your colleagues and your family, whether they believe that or not, just don't give, just don't pay any attention to that. Right, that you have done this. In your heart that I have been to the Grand Canyons, and that's all that matters. So this is the difference between goals and achievements, and I hope this helps out. And if it does, kindly please subscribe to my channel, and you will have the bell icon for notifications. Please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification, so that in future any video that I go ahead and upload, you will be able to go ahead and see those videos. All right, so I will be mostly doing lifestyle, food, health, beauty, hair, not beauty tutorials, but beauty tips, hair tips, etc. in future. So you will find a lot of variety in my channel. I won't really stick to anything. I won't stick to giving lectures to people. I will go ahead and talk about something which maybe is bothering me and is maybe bothering you at the same time. And sometimes things will be fun, things will be just for information sake and things like that. So please do subscribe, hit the bell icon, and I will see you tomorrow, because I plan to record every day for the next 1 to 2 months at least. So kindly go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And it was nice chatting with you guys. Last but not the least, please be careful when you're going outside. Carry your hand sanitizer, wear your masks, and please use wet tissues to disinfect it, disinfect handles and things like that of public bathrooms and things like that, so that you are completely safe. Be safe, keep your family safe, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Thank you so much, guys.